Yeah, my people, I greet una. I greet all of una. Great youth of Nigeria. I greet all of una. I appreciate all of una. This is the Oso Godwin channel. Now here we fire those bad government. We say no to corruption, no to bad governance, no to SARS, no to police brutality. So now here we speak the truth. Now here we speak the truth. I bet me not subscribe for me. Who see this message? Me not share that for me. Me not share my message. So me assure kuna. Me assure kuna. Concern with incident wey happen for toll gate. Tinubu dey aware. Tinubu dey aware. You say that toll gate. Tinubu me una ask am. She know how much he dey get for that toll gate.
Students.
Now he make am call the governor, the city governor. Sanwo-Olu, wetin they call am, and I make am call the city governor to order soldier.
And families must not be.
He just dey deny. Na him. He just go. Me he wan just clear him mind. Make the youth say. Make we know say not be him. Now he just go. He just go there say. Sanwo-Olu who order soldier. Now Tinubu dey. He know everything. He know wetin happen for that toll gate. Cause all those soldiers so now those repeated Boko Haram. Now brutal they send come here. Cause our soldier they dey forest. They say they fight Boko Haram. Some of them dey barrack. Now our government, now they sponsor Boko Haram. Now if our soldier they go, if our soldier won't go attack them. Now our government they give them information. Say our soldier they come. Now they give them gun. Now they give them bullet. Now they give them fuel where they use. Now they still they give them food where they eat. Me una ask question. How they take the get fuel where they put for motor and back where they use? How they take the get food where they eat? Now our government, now federal government, now they although say say for Aso Rock. Now there's so much Fulani for that seat, for that Aso Rock. Now all of them they know what they happen. Even brutal when they see so, they know what they happen. Because of this peaceful protest, they want to use the tribalism. They want cause problem between Igbo and Yoruba, they want cause problem between all of us, so that me forget what we pursue. They not say if you protest reach 30 days, they will not problem. They now make that they use tools. You know they see all those they see official car. They use official car they carry tools. All those Fulani where they come they destroy things for South. They come they use that they destroy our things. If they say good luck, they say good luck. Do good luck. They all those good luck. So now our youth, because now those all the angry youth when we say they don't get joy again. Now those angry youth, they don't get all those angry youth. We say they don't get joy. Now they know all those angry youth. Me not blame them. Now angry youth. Now our youth still. Now our youth. Now angry youth. They diverse. See brutal. And all those people where they Aso Rock. All those additional, like Mohammed. All those Aso Rock people. Brutal not get anything to do with Aso Rock. But because of say Buhari not there again. Buhari don't die 2017. Because say Buhari not there again. Now he make they get banamish with brutal. That's why anything where they tell brutal now they do. Now he make anything where they tell brutal now brutal they do. All those soldiers where they come Lekki now those repented Boko Haram now brutal send them. Now brutal send them they come because they know say if they send our people come they no get that liver to the shoot. You understand? Because if they know say if they shoot, maybe their brother will do that protest, or their parents will they know both they know shoot. Now better they send those repented Boko Haram. They want to do it as they please, or you cannot continue like that. Not be Buhari did that it. They won't just mago. They won't just do until 2023. Brutal they get banamish brutal with Aso Rock, all those all those devil, Adesina and the rest, they get Banamish. Bruta won't take over after they don't do their mago finish. Bruta will take over, military will take over. They no say no will work. They no say he no will work. Now that they do so, now make anything where they tell Bruta, now because what it concern Bruta, because Bruta supposed to remain in barrack. Bruta supposed to remain in barrack. Then they use all those they use the old days since now that they use. Now new modern life we dey. You understand? The technology don't fool everywhere. And before you do something, don't go viral. Now made the invest. They say now made the invest for. They say they want fake news too many for social media. Now there be fake news. All those government they know they talk truth. Now if now white be this one they will say now black. Now they be fake for social media. All those government. See what happen for Lekki now. I don't know whether na Fashola they still go gang up with Tinubu and the city governor. They go put camera for them. When after the incident happen, people go there. Although I see iron condemn for there. They go they pack iron. They go do cleaning for there. Why they don't see that camera? They say they get sense. You see say they don't get sense. They do thoroughly cleaning for there. I see when they interview one guy. He say why you dey carry all those iron? But na say you wan go sell am. When you no wan talk true, say na say he say you wan go to where? Camera dead. If camera dead there, they will know. You see, these people they no get sense. I dey take God beg una. This not matter of tribalism. I beg may all of us cooperate. I take God beg una. May we cooperate. These people they want now I made that they okay see all those palliative when you know say our government we can see palliative covenantive when people say I can't dey fry for social media people they cry they not see food eat you see what see now devil now you go pass now even better pass now better pass all those leaders the mandation or even the rest the governors or all of no one good even all those our governors may not ask them. May not have them. They know what they happen for that Aso Rock. If they want to go see Buhari, they don't say no be Buhari there. They don't want to talk. Our government, they see the problem when we get. They know what they know what they go on for that Aso Rock. They know they don't want to talk the truth. They know. See vice president. They don't threaten and I make another one talk come out. They remove that one. They use that one. Yes, now they use vice president now. They lock her for one room. They lock her for one room. Now those Kaba, those Adesina. Cause na Fulani food Aso Rock now. But vice president no get what he want to do. Now they control and they threaten the family. That's why you see say you know one just maybe if you see say you with the class say we see bad Joe they'll still release and they'll go open up for the room when they'll go open the room may come talk to us. After you don't talk finish, they'll lock them back. Now house arrest. Now see Bajo day for Aso Rock. When I go find out, we see Bajo day house arrest. House arrest. Now day. All those Kaba, they are devil. Now God will punish all of them. And why those same people when they die for this protest? Our youth when they die, they no die in vain. May they also rest in peace. We will still continue for this protest. But for this this na party new party when I bring come out whether na YPD YP the new party when the new party when come out it makes sense still but may all those people no come they distract us may they not come they use tribalism abeg mo cooperate mo see this na old cargo they do so all those old cargo all the day cargo but they don't know say na new modern life we dey na we get our upon everything na we still get sense pass them na new modern life we dey cause no be na technology life we dey na cause anything wey you do the video don go viral na make dem dey do by all means to stop stop social media they no fit work for them. I greet all of una who see this message may na share am for me I take God beg una. Make una share am for me. Make una subscribe for me. Make una touch the red button.